What's going on, Beam Team? 2 videos in one day, it's a first for me. So today's video is going to be on the first 5 mods that you can do for your BMW, whether they're affordable or whether they're just like the first mods you should jump into just because they're like one of the best and easiest mods to get. So let's jump straight into it. The first mod I'll be getting into is the M-Style kidney grills. This is the first mod that I did to mine because it changes the look so much, and we all know we hate the chrome grills that BMW comes out with. The chrome grills look so old, like crusty and old. It looks like I'm driving my dad's car, and now it just makes it look so much more aggressive. As you guys can see, it goes with the car so well. So that was one of the main things, the first things that I had to change. They're sitting in my garage right now. I don't know what I'm gonna do with them, but they're never going back on my car. All right, so the second mod we're gonna get into is on the back of the vehicle. My PSM style high kick spoiler that I got off Amazon. And man, when I tell you, this spoiler looks so great in person. When I was buying spoilers, I wanted something that would flow really nice with my car, wasn't too aggressive. This is, don't get me wrong, it's high, but I wanted something that wasn't too aggressive, had nice like curves to it, and this one was absolutely perfect. I know that when I get my M3, I'm gonna go with the same spoiler because I just love this spoiler so much and how it goes with the line of the car. Like, I know they have, Keys has this other one that has like a much more like rigid like curve here, but this one, the curvature here is just so smooth and nice, and that's something that I personally like a lot about that spoiler. That was not the first mod that I did, but I did buy a spoiler first. I didn't like that one, but not the first mod I did, but it should be one of the mods that you do because spoilers change the look of a car and they make the car look so beautiful. Without it, it would look so naked, and it's one of my favorite mods for sure. Second mod we're gonna hop into is my most recent mod on it. Actually, one of my most recent mods is the LCI Trim. As we all know, mine is a pre-LCI model that came with the plastic AC trim that just looks older. This one just gives it a much better, newer look that just makes the car just look so much more updated. Let me turn the car on for you guys just so you guys can get a better understanding on how it looks. As you guys can see, at night, it looks truly beautiful and definitely one of my favorite mods because, like I said, it just makes the car, goes with other pieces like I said in one of my other videos, goes with this piece, it goes with that piece, and it just flows the black here, and it's just a lot more appealing to the eye, just a lot better looking in my opinion. So this is definitely one of the first mods, if you have a pre-LCI model, you should look into. My fourth mod that I'm going to get into is my M-Style mirror caps. They're carbon fiber, and these are actually a gift for my girlfriend. And honestly, at first, when I first put them on the car, I had another set. It took me a while to grow onto them. But after having them on for a long time and having my car completed finally, it just completes the look. And I think they look like amazing. Looking at them in the front, it just goes with the lines, just goes with all the aggressive look that I wanted to go with so well, and it's just something that I truly love about my car. So my carbon fiber mirror caps were definitely one of my favorite mods to the car. Moving on to my last mod, most expensive one of them all, are the depot headlights. Yes, the depot headlights are definitely one of my favorite mods that if you don't have a model, the 3 Series model that comes, if you have the Mod 3 Series model that comes with the halogen headlights, these are a big upgrade. The halogen head bulbs, as we all know, make the car look cheap, old, and disgusting. And these depot headlights are just a game changer. They make the car, they give it such a nice facelift that are just so nice. Even if you were to look at it, even the old halogen housing that it had, you guys could see like the halogen like projector look, and it just made it look so outdated. And like, I don't even understand why BMW would have put them in there in the first place. So these depot headlights were definitely one of the, they came later, but if I was to get into this car not knowing anything like I did, I would have done this first. This would definitely be one of the first mods that I would jump into, because they transform the look of the car and make it look so much newer than it does. This is 2013, and this looks just like it would have been. It could be look past for 15 like it has for me. So yes, this is definitely one of my favorite mods, and that is my last mod. On this video up, I'm going to give you guys a price summary with everything, all the mods. I think I'm gonna go from least expensive to most expensive. So let's get into that. I think they were, like I said, this was about 2 years ago. This was the first mod that I did, and they were less than $100 on Amazon. These are very nice quality ones that I got for not over $100. They're beautiful, they look nice, they're durable, they've lasted me 2 years, and they look great. Second mod that I had on my list was, that's not the second. That's not from cheapest. So the cheapest next one would be the LCI Trim. This trim, my brother got me it for Christmas. It was a mod that I just kept pushing back. I don't know why. Now looking at it, I see why people do it, and it was a must. I should have done it a long time ago, but I didn't. I procrastinated. But this is a mod that I would have done so much earlier. This was about, I'm gonna say $70. It was $70. All right. So next one would probably be, the mirror caps. So the mirror caps, the M-style carbon fiber mirror caps, these are purchased off Keys Motorsports. So we all know, Keys, please sponsor me. The Keys Motorsports mirror caps run a little expensive. They were $230 if I'm not mistaken. $230 for the M-style mirror caps. Let's move on to the back. On my PSM high kick spoiler, this ran me about $270 where I ordered it from. I don't remember where I ordered it from, but that definitely ran me around $270. My last mod that I had on my list was my depot headlights, and these were the most expensive, as we all know. I got them off of Keys Motorsports website. I snagged them right when they're restocked. I was very lucky to get them at the time I did, because we all know that these headlights go out really quick. So the headlights I snagged up for about $600. So they're definitely not cheap mods. You can get them for cheaper. Like the first mirror caps that I got were not that expensive, but they were fake carbon and they look terrible. This is real carbon, everything. All the carbon pieces on my car are real carbon now. I only have 2 pieces, but when I get the M3, no, everything's gonna be carbon. Carbon everything. But yes, this was a quick summary on my 2013 BMW 328i F30. So we'll wrap this video up. If you guys enjoyed that video, please subscribe, please like the video. We're close to 100 subscribers. May seem small to you guys, but to me, it means a lot. So 100 subscribers, I would love to get there as soon as possible. So please keep showing me support like you guys have been, and hope you guys keep tuning into my next videos. See you guys.